Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss like how to download the WinRAR. I will show you some WinRAR. For this you just need to type this in our Google and any Chrome browser and something like this. But typing on this is the first link. We just need to click on this first link here. And here we have the WinRAR download. We just need to click on this RAR. And here we go. Our ARIA is downloaded and this is our ARIA. We just need to click on this, click yes, just install this and just OK and as it is. So we need to check like our WinARIA is downloaded or not. We just need to type WinARIA and here you can see our WinARIA is downloaded. To get more informative like videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.